The price of Shiba Inu coin is bouncing off of the dip, and this could have been, I don't know if it will be, but this could have been the last dip buying opportunity before we gear up to test the major resistance at 3,500 points per coin. Guys, I am extremely excited about Shiba Inu coin, and we have got whales jumping in as well, which tells me they're excited, perhaps even more excited than I am because, well, when you're a Shiba Inu coin whale, you gotta have a minimum purchase of at least $100,000 worth of Shiba Inu coin. So we're gonna be talking about that, and we gotta go over Pepe meme. If you guys have not seen this Pepe meme coin yet, you need to. Launch day gains alone are over 10x from the current price. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got Pepe meme on the screen right now, and I do want to briefly go over this. I'm going to show you the launch day gains in a second here, but as you can see, this website is extremely well done. These guys have a huge community with over 31 million players on their Telegram game. They've got an Apple App Store game coming soon and a Google Play Store game coming soon. Staking, airdrops, everything that you could want in a brand new cryptocurrency, and a Pepe launchpad where you can launch your own meme coins as well. We're talking, these guys have covered all of the stops, and it's very important, right? With meme coins exploding the way that they are, understand that you don't have to go out there and buy, $10,000 worth of Pepe meme or anything and drop so much money on all of these coins. But if you're willing to diversify into these tokens, you give yourself the opportunity for those life-changing gains in case this is the next Pepe or in case this is the next Shiba Inu coin. And that is exactly what I'm doing. If you guys want the Solana address, it is right here. You can see it out on SolScan. You've got our fans. Look at that guy right there. I am a fan of Pepe meme. I think these guys got a huge opportunity ahead of them, especially since they're launching into a beautiful bull market. And over 500,000 followers just on their X account alone. So make sure to check into that. But I want to show you the launch day gains. This is the best part of it. $1,117,331 in pre-sale activity so far. You've got bonuses for each one of these levels right here. So make sure to check that out. Become a shrimp, fish, whale, dolphin, whatever you want to be. And make sure that you guys hit those bonuses because they truly do help. 663 buyers already, an incredible community just starting with the amount of people that are buying into Pepe meme, but you need to see this, okay? You can buy with any cryptocurrency you have in your portfolio, which I think is awesome. So if you want to trade some Shiba Inu coin, go for it. But it's on Solana, so I want to show it to you what it looks like in Solana. If you buy 10 Solana worth, that's $2,100 worth. On launch day, guys, you're going to have $26,000 worth of Pepe meme in your portfolio. And if you want to go through, you can see all of the transactions coming in. The latest guy to buy, $1,800, 59 minutes ago. And of course, you can see the top holders as well over here. But check this out. ROI calculator. If you want to know just how much money you're going to be making, why don't you come in, type in all of these zeros because you're going to be holding billions of Pepe meme. But if you buy $2,400 worth right now, on launch day, you're going to be sitting on over $3,500 worth. Or $35,000, sorry. I can't even read. $35,000 worth. An incredible way to go out there and diversify your portfolio ahead of what is expected to be a meme coin super cycle. And that is why whales are jumping into Shiba Inu coin right now. It says that SHIB's prices surged 60% in a week, reaching 2,800 with a $5.69 billion trading volume. Guys, these numbers are bigger than what we were seeing back in March. These numbers are indicative of what we saw back in 2021. So prepare accordingly. Now, it goes on to say that Shiba Inu coin, the second largest meme coin by market cap, has rallied this week. The broader cryptocurrency market really paved the way for Dogecoin and pushed Shiba Inu coin up by more than 60%. Shiba Inu coin is currently at 2803 with a 24-hour trading volume of $5.69 billion within the last day. The price of Shiba Inu coin has grown by 11.40%. These numbers represent a strong position for coins within the meme coin market, thus attracting retail and institutional investors. Shiba Inu coin whale profit taking. The whale has come back on the scene, or this whale has come back on the scene at the same time as the price increases. which could suggest the beginning of some profit taking. An hour ago, the whale moved 100 billion Shiba Inu coin worth $2.81 million to the Gemini exchange. This move may indicate that the investor is trying to take advantage of the rally. Sure. Or there are so many other things out there. I know that Gemini offers staking rewards. I know that they have trading rewards. These guys are getting smart right now. They're taking advantage of all of the offers that these centralized exchanges have. It doesn't just mean that they're out there selling their Shiba Inu coin when they move it over. You know, he could have got a 1%, 2%, 5% deposit bonus for bringing his Shiba Inu coin over to the exchange as well. So there are so many different ways. Whale's diversified portfolios. Whale investments are limited to Shiba Inu coin, and the portfolio is quite diverse. These consist of 2,971 Ethereum that are worth $9.8 million, and other assets include all of these other tokens. Here's the thing. You look at these whales, and they're not necessarily 100% in Shiba Inu coin, but they absolutely have it in their portfolio because they know the importance of meme coins. Now, guys, if you want to diversify into many different meme coins, sure, Pepe meme is an option, but you also have all of these different opportunities available out on the KSEC centralized exchange. Now, you've got links for it down in the description below, so if you're in the United States or anywhere in the world and you're looking to buy some of the top meme coins out there, but you don't necessarily want to go to Radium and PancakeSwap and Uniswap and all of these different decentralized exchanges, this centralized exchange not only allows you to buy the top meme coins in the entire world all in one place. I mean, check this out. You've got Cat, you've got Mumu, Sundog, you've got Lucy, you've got Sigma, you've got all of these. Milady, I know a lot of people are very excited about Milady making a comeback as well. But on top of all of it, you can trade on leverage. Guys, Shiba Inu coin, you can go in, and if you'd like to trade on 100x leverage, understand your risk to reward ratio, and that's a very high risk to reward ratio right there. Or all the way down. You can come all the way down to 2x leverage if you would like. The choice is yours, right? Whatever your guys' risk tolerance is and reward is, make sure, go out there, understand what you're doing, and make that decision. And I've been seeing a lot of comments on these videos lately. How can I burn Shiba Inu coin? How do we burn more Shiba Inu coin? Guys, with the price of Shiba Inu coin about to rip through major resistance right now, it is a very, very, I guess, searched topic. So if you guys are looking to burn Shiba Inu coin and you want to do it absolutely free, there's a link down in the description for Amazon. Anything that you guys buy on Amazon, you open that link, and then you simply go to the search bar at the top of the screen, search for anything you would normally buy. And my computer, right? I need to buy a new CPU. I'm going to be buying a new CPU through Amazon. And of course, that's going to be burning Shiba Inu coin. It's about 1% of any purchase price. You could buy your cat food. You could buy a lava lamp. It doesn't matter what you buy. It burns Shiba Inu coin through leveraging that affiliate link right there. So make sure to make as much money as possible in this upcoming bull market. And make sure to burn as much Shiba Inu coin as possible by utilizing those links down there in the description. Now, until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.